Hey guys, so we are on the set of Sam and Cat in Roblox, and this is my Cat Valentine look. And I'm going to explain why I have a Cat Valentine look. So, after season 1 ends of iCarly, the show is going to be renamed. The show is going to be get renewed for another season. Though this show will be renamed to Sam and Cat. So, yeah. And, for season 3, the show will go back to iCarly, except it's going to be styled like the reboot. So, season 1's the original show of iCarly, season 2 will be Sam and Cat, and season 3 will be the reboot of iCarly. So, Sam is not going to be in it. Val will still be in it, though. He will be Harper in season 3. But he's still Sam for the majority of the first 2 seasons, because Carly only appears in 2 seasons. Sam also only appears in 2 seasons. But Carly will not make any physical appearance in season 2, because we're trying to make it realistic to the actual show of Sam and Cat. So Carly will not be in season 2 like this show, like Sam and Cat is, because as you know, Carly never was in Sam and Cat. She was mentioned, so we will mention Carly, but the majority of Sam and Cat, she will not make any physical appearance. Like this show, Carly will not make any physical appearance. So I know it's very sad, but we're trying to keep it realistic, like we said. So anyways, this is the outside of the apartment complex of Sam and Cat, and I'm not going to show you the inside yet. I'll just give you a tour of the outside. So here, this is the outside. Right here, you'll get teleported into Sam and Cat's house. And this is basically just the outside. There's this, if you jump up here, you can get onto the bridge. Yeah. But now let's actually get into the apartment complex of Sam. The apartment of Sam and Cat. So here's the apartment, It's not so accurate, but it's close, right? And right here will be the room. Hold on, we're not going to show that till later in the show. Ah! Okay, I just went away, literally, ah! Okay, so, yeah, there's no hallway to Sam and Cat's apartment. From Sam and Cat's apartment like this show, so there will be no hallway shown in Sam and Cat or iCarly season 2. I know you're gonna miss Carly, but Spencer, it's gonna be like the real show, like Spencer won't be mentioned or seen in the show, but there won't be one episode like the Killer Tuna Jump. So this whole series is inspired by the real shows, so. Val will return as Sam and will reprise the role. And I will be Cat in the show, so yeah. So we're going to be using this set. I'll probably give the link in the description later on, because I can copy and paste it. I think that's what I'll do. Anyways, this is basically the set of Sam and Cat, or the new one. Or because we won't be using the set of iCarly anymore after the show ends. And also, we won't be using the actual original set that we used from season 1. So season 1 will be the only one where we actually use the original set of iCarly. Because as you saw in episode 2 of iCarly, the revival set was seen. So that set is the one that's going to be used in season 3 of iCarly. Because the show will be renamed back to iCarly in season 3, and there will be returning characters from season 1, like Carly, Freddie, and Spencer. No Gibby or Sam, though. Gibby's never really mentioned or seen in the season 1, so I don't know about Gibby, but the rest, like Sam, though, she won't be in it, but Val will still be playing a character. He will be playing Harper, like I said before. Anyways, I'm guessing that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give a like, smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Bye!